Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Anyishola Ogundele. The multiverse, many worlds, an assemblage of universes characterized with frontier of scientific inquiry. The focus points are as follows: the multiverse, types of multiverses, the search for the existence of multiverse, and the multiverse theories. For centuries, humans have been intrigued with the vast expanse of the universe, which includes all space, all the matter and energy that space contains. According to one universe perspective, several scientists, futurists, and cosmologists believe that, based on current evidence, data analysis, research, and foresight techniques employed to explore possible future scenarios, there's only one universe encompassing all of space, time, and everything within. Multiverse, a hypothetical collection of multiple and potentially diverse observable universes, including the Earth's universe. It is believed that each of the universes is made up of everything that is experimentally accessible by a connected community of observers. One school of thought is that the universe is a cosmos in which there are multiple parallel universes or alternate realities. The proposition of the concept of universe, coined by William James, a philosopher, is dated back to 1895. Since then, the concept has evolved over time. The ancient philosophers in different cultures explored alternate worlds and realities. In the 21st century, based on the advance of quantum mechanics, the many worlds interpretation was put forward, which postulated that every possible outcome of a quantum event occurs in a separate, non-communicating branch of the universe. In the realm of cosmology, the multiverse concept became obvious based on better understanding of cosmic inflation and the possibility of multiple bubbles of space-time, each representing a different universe. The multiverse is a hypothetical collection of potentially diverse observable universes, each of which will comprise everything that is experimentally accessible by a connected community of observers. Theoretical physics suggests a multiverse is a hypothetical grouping of multiple universes. This implies that our universe could be just one tiny universe in a much larger multiverse, where many, possibly even infinite universes, are contained, existing parallel to each other. The picture here illustrates artist's concept of an exoplanet in the process of being terraformed. The universes that made up the multiverse are presumed to comprise everything that exists, the entirety of space, time, matter, energy, information, and the physical laws and constants that describe them. Within the multiverse are referred to as parallel universes, flat universes, other universes, alternate universes, multiple universes, plane universes, parent and child universes. An illustration of various planetary technosignature is illustrated in this picture. Types of multiverses. Theories about the multiverse propose various types, including quiescent, inflationary, brane, cyclic, landscape, quantum, holographic, simulated, and ultimate multiverses, each exploring different aspects of space, physical laws, and mathematical structures to explain the existence of multiple universes. The brane multiverse. This theory, related to string theory, suggests that our universe is a brane, a higher dimensional membrane floating in a larger space, and other universes could exist on other branes. The picture here illustrates twin world. Mass Stagnal 4 levels is another type of multiverse. Level 1, an extension of our universe, a prediction of cosmic inflation, which is the existence of an infinite ergodic universe, which being infinite must contain all volumes, realizing all initial conditions. Level 2. Universes with different physical constants. In the eternal inflation theory, which is a variant of the cosmic inflation theory, the universe or space as a whole is stretching and will continue doing so forever. Different types of multiverse is illustrated in this picture. Level 3. Many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. One aspect of quantum mechanics is that certain observations cannot be predicted absolutely. Instead, there is a range of possible observations, each with a different probability. Level 4. Ultimate ensemble. The ultimate mathematical universe hypothesis is Stegman's own hypothesis. Illustration of parallel universe is shown in this picture. Research for the existence of multiverse. The search for the multiverse is a fascinating frontier of scientific inquiry, with a blend of theoretical possibilities and ongoing efforts to find observational evidence. While direct proof remains elusive, the exploration of the multiverse continues to inspire and challenge our understanding of the universe. The picture here shows the universe bubbles. The theoretical framework suggesting a multiverse, eternal inflation. This theory proposes that our universe is part of a larger, ever-expanding multiverse, where new universes are continuously forming. String theory predicts that our universe is made of tiny vibrating strings and that its equations have many solutions, potentially leading to a landscape of different universes. The concept of multiverse is illustrated in this picture. Theoretical framework suggesting a multiverse, many worlds interpretation. This quantum mechanics interpretation suggests that every quantum measurement causes the universe to split into multiple parallel universes, each representing a different outcome. Illustration of multiverse is shown in this picture. Lack of direct observational evidence. Despite the compelling nature of the theories, there's no definitive direct evidence that a multiverse actually exists. The theoretical nature. Many multiverse models are theoretical and not yet fully testable. The uncertainty in testability. Some scientists question whether the multiverse is even an empirically testable idea, given that it might be beyond our reach. Concept of universe is depicted in this picture. Ongoing research and potential clues are as follows. Cosmic microwave background. Scientists are analyzing the cosmic microwave background, the light left over from the Big Bang, for any imprints of collisions between our universe and others. Unique black holes. Some researchers are looking for special types of black holes that could be remnants of quantum tunneling, a process where regions of space separate into their own universes. The multiverse idea would say that there are an arbitrarily large number of universes is illustrated in this picture. Another ongoing research is the quantum experiments. Experiments like those at the University of Cambridge are trying to create processes for the processes that could lead to the formation of new universes. Artist's logarithmic scale concept of the observable universe is shown in this picture. Art as simulation for an advanced civilization. Simulation theory is an hypothesis proposing that our perceived reality is a powerful computer simulation, possibly created by a higher being. The theory assumes that either everything we know and that exists is simulated, or that the world we know of is simulated. Entire reality. At its core, the simulation hypothesis posits that our entire reality, including Earth and the universe at large, could be an artificial construct created by highly advanced civilization. The concept of a multiverse is illustrated in this picture. Computer simulation. The hypothesis was notably articulated by philosopher Nick Bostrom in his 2003 paper titled Are You Living in a Computer Simulation? Bostrom's argument, based on probability, suggests a significant chance that our existence is part of a complex simulation developed by post-human civilization. Illustration of a concept of center of multiverse is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploits. You've been watching and listening to The Multiverse, Many Worlds and Assemblage of Universes, Characterized with Frontier of Scientific Inquiry, presented by Dr. Ayenshola Ogundele, with the focus point, the multiverse, type of multiverses, the search for the existence of multiverse, and the multiverse theories. Thank you.